Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, Lesson 1, Reading plus Discussion. Dear learners, look here. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, Lesson 1, Reading plus Discussion. Dear students, this is our 1 month syllabus, that means short syllabus form, and this topic has been taken from the short syllabus. So look here, this is our lecture number 3. My dear students of class 8, our today's topic is Chapter 3, Lesson 1. In this connection, I request all of my students of class 8 to look at both. So look at the title of Chapter 3, it is Agricultural Materials. Look here, look at the title, I am telling again, it is Agricultural Materials. This is the summary of Chapter 3. Our main focus is on Lesson 1. So let us read the Chapter 3 summary. We have discussed many kinds of agricultural materials in the previous class. In this chapter, various subjects such as how proper tilled soil can be prepared for sowing seeds, how an ideal seed bed can be prepared and protected, and how judicious fertilizer can be applied in the land will be discussed. Many crop seeds will not be germinated if the soils in the seed bed may not be prepared properly. That means to grow the crops properly, we need to prepare our soil very much appropriately. The seedlings will not be healthy if the seed bed may not be prepared suitably and protected appropriately, although soils are fertile. Another matter is the farmer is not following the appropriate rules of fertilizer application. As a result, the farmer faces economic loss due to excess fertilizer application. So the discussions of the subject in this chapter is appropriate. So look at a little picture. So look here, we can see a picture properly. It is wide set bit. So look here, that means the set bit has been prepared in the, like this one it is 10 meter and in here it is 1 meter. Now dear students, we will go to our main topic. This is our lesson 1, chapter 3. Okay, this is our main focus, chapter 3, lesson 1. Preparation of suitable soil in the nursery for seed sowing. We know that seedlings are produced after sowing seeds in the seed bed of nursery. Good seedling is not produced if the soils in the seed bed of nursery cannot be prepared efficiently or appropriately. The materials needed for preparation of soil in the seed bed are land, stick, measuring tape, spade, organic and inorganic fertilizer, etc. Two types of seed beds are prepared in our country. These are dry seed bed and wet seed bed. So dear students, look here. Here we have seen a picture. It is about a wet seed bed. Wet seed bed, but another one is dry seed bed. Direct seed sowing could be done in the dry seed bed. In case of wet seed bed, soak the soil, the seed bed with water to prepare a clay mold and level it. Then seed would be sown there. So look here, now we will follow some rules. The rules of soil preparation in the seed bed are given as follow. Number 1, 30 cm wide and 15 cm deep channel will be prepared around in the seed bed. 2, raise the soils of the seed bed at 20 to 25 cm height. 3, plow the soil of seed bed about 15 to 20 cm deep. 4, leave the seed bed open for 2 to 4 days for sunburn to destroy insect and pest. Number 5, then pick out grasses, roots and stubbles from the seed bed. So that means we need to pick out different types of weed, okay, which can harm the seed. Number 6, mix some loam soil if the soils of the seed beds are clay, but mixed organic matter, loam or clay, loam soils in the seed bed if the soils are sandy. Now we will go to our rules number 7. The soils around seed bed should be protected by making temporary wall using brick with holes or other, so that the soils may not be washed away through rain or strong air. Number 8. Smash the big clods in the seed bed and plane the upper soil layer. 9. Mixed up TSP, MOP and dry cow dung or organic matter with the soils of the seed bed at 10 to 12 days before seed sowing. 10 number rules. Apply fertilizer based on size of the nursery. 11 number. Insect or pathogens may live in the soils of the nursery, so put some debris on the seed bed and fire it, which may reduce pest infestation. Number 12. This is our last tools to prepare our soil. So look here. For soil fumigation, use the chemicals like gamaxins or formaldehyde. Dear learners, look at this one. Soils are filling in the polybags. So this soil should be prepared following the rules above. Then the soil should be sipped to make it free from clods. The soil should be filled in the polybags or specific size. There from this, that means we have finished our chapter 1. So my dear students of class 8, so today we have read chapter 3 lesson 1. I repeat, today we have read chapter 3 lesson 1. It is how to prepare our bed. Bed, about that means soil bed. So if we want to get good crops, we need to prepare our soil properly and following all kinds of rules. Dear learners, please read the text again and again at home and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.